best Samsung tablets of 2024. Samsung tablets are famous for their innovation, performance, and design, making them ideal for a range of users. The Korean tech giant offers the high-end Galaxy Tab S series with stunning displays and powerful processors, as well as the budget-friendly Galaxy Tab A series. Although these devices are perfect, offering features like S Pen support, long battery life, and seamless connectivity, it depends on the user for what purpose they want to buy it, such as work, gaming, and more. Therefore, Gad Insider has brought you a list of some best Samsung tablet options, out of which you can choose to buy the one that suits your needs. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is overall the best tablet option for Samsung fans. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and comes with an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It features a USB-C and micro SD offering 128GB storage and 8GB RAM. While this may not be the best Android tablet, it's a great all-around tablet that competes with Apple's iPad. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 features a 10.4-inch Full HD display and a slim metal body. With 3GB RAM, 32GB expandable storage, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, it delivers smooth performance. The tablet includes quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, an 8-megapixel rear camera, and 4G connectivity. It also has a 7040 mAh battery. It's available at a very affordable price. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. It's the best alternative to a laptop with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and features a beautiful 14.6-inch OLED display. It's a great choice for remote work as it packs dual front cameras with support for up to 4K resolution for video calls. Plus, there are advanced video features like noise reduction, auto centering, and an S Pen that provide a smooth writing experience.